Dobro Jutro from Sarajevo, the capital of Bosnia. Lots more coming from here later, but today we're not going to listen to TLC's advice, we're chasing waterfalls again. Let's go. Now arrived at the first stop, Travnik, the Muslim capital of Bosnia and the former Ottoman capital of Bosnia. But first, coffee. Inside the Travnik fortress, explore the ancient walls. Decided to break away from the tour group and head up onto these fortress walls. Well, there's not many people around there. Incredible views up the top here, and I've just seen what looks like a group of about 30 school kids walking the entrance, so I probably made the right decision to break away and run up to the top of the fortress. Now to get back down without injuring myself. Goodbye from Travnik Fortress and on to the next place. Let's go. Now made it to Jajce, a town that means egg. There's not much to explain, it does just literally mean egg. Gonna go in these underground catacombs. It's very dark, so I don't know how much you're gonna see. Well, it only cost £2 to come in here, which is about €1. And now I know why, because there's absolutely nothing in it. Time to get out. Well, I'm glad that only took 2 minutes because it was a waste of those 2 minutes. Let's go and get some lunch. As I was saying on the way in, Jajce, the town that means egg. Not entirely sure how that came about, but an interesting fact nonetheless. Now we are here mainly to see the waterfalls, at least that's why I'm here. That's the reason we came on this tour. It has been a long day. We stopped at the last town and had a walk around after the fortress, which to me felt a little unnecessary. There wasn't really much in the town, hence the camera didn't even come out. Hopefully there's a bit more to see here other than the waterfalls. But first, let's go and get some lunch. That's lunch done. Let's go and see some waterfalls. I can't see the waterfalls yet, but I can hear them. We seem to have added a +1 to our party as well. Of course, money makes the world go round. You got to pay a little bit extra to go down close to the waterfall, but in this case, I think it's probably worth it. €5 Bosnian marks entrance fees, about €2.50, so less than the price of a beer. Very wet and very loud, but it's also very cool. Is that worth €2.50? Let me know in the comments. After drying off from the waterfalls a bit, we're now having a look at these water mills. Very unique. Never seen anything like this before. Obviously they're using the water power mills to make flour. Certainly the best flour mill I've ever seen. Now as we leave the mills, we approach the serenity of the lake and some ducks. Let's see if they're friendly. I'll take that as a no. Fun for all the family here. Look at this little kiddie pool with a mini waterfall. If Oprah did waterfalls, you get a waterfall, you get a waterfall. You get a waterfall. Everyone gets a waterfall. That's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel adventures, and I'll see you next time.